Hey guys, I'm so excited because my PoshFest 2020 swag box just came in the mail. I cannot wait to unbox it with you guys. Okay, it's time. It is time. First impressions. I am opening the flap and stop. Oh my god. Yes. Just look at it. I'm just so excited. So I've never gotten like a box in the mail or anything like a subscription box. It's like customized, and this is what this feels like. It's just yes. Oh my god, thank you so much. One more time. We're just gonna look at it one more time. Look at this. I love it. We're gonna look at me too. Okay, we look good. So the first thing on top is this note. It says, "Hey Posh Buzz, get ready for PoshFest with your exclusive swag box." Yes. This is so cute. So they have this cute little keychain, and thank you so much. I cannot wait. I'm gonna use that. This is so. Yes. Okay, so these are cute little thank you cards, and I cannot wait to send these out to you guys. Truly, thank you so much for your support. And now we're going to get some cute little thank you cards that are Poshmark official. And stickers. Rise and shine. Money making time. These are so cute. Okay. So I know this is different than most people, but I'm just really super excited for all the coupons from Poshmark sponsors. And I don't know if that's weird, but I'm really excited for these. So first off are these mailers from You Pack and Ship. The woman who owns the company is just so sweet, and I truly have been meaning to order here for a while now, and it's just so cute. Truly, go check out her site. She has some really cute mailers, and oh hey, I was gonna buy one of these. So this is a replica surface, and you can do cute little cover lays and photo shoots of all your products, and I am so glad I waited to buy because now I have a lovely coupon. And literally all of these are just one after the other. They're just so nice. So this is the creme de la creme. This is the Dymo printer, and I currently am waiting. This is the one day of the dream purchase. I'm not there yet, but one day maybe this coupon will help make it more affordable. And it's just a really nice professional printer that produces shipping labels and makes them look all fancy. And this is that one day purchase, so maybe this will help make it a little more realistic for me. And then, no way. I want this to be me. Do you see this, girl? Do you see this? So I actually walked to my post office with my Poshmark packages, which in theory sounds fine, but it's up a hill. So by the time I get there, after logging the packages, I'm like, "Hi, how are you? Yes, thank you." So if I could just roll them up the hill on this cute little tote, it would just make everything so much easier for me. So thank you, Poshmark. And then we got some swag for our pets. I love it. So now moving back to the actual PoshFest swag, although I'm going to be honest, this is the first time I received a bunch of coupons and just one after the other. I was just yes. Poshmark truly knows its sellers. So thank you so much. And I love these. So these are some cute little pins. And the best thing is I'm eyeing right now. So there is already a tote bag included. And I just love that it's canvas. It's all natural. And I think this will look super cute with the pins. And you know what I could use this for? I could use this to bring my Poshmark packages to the post office. So this is perfect. And then, okay, I knew this was coming because they asked us our t-shirt size. And so soft. It is so soft. Isn't this so cute? So it's the official Poshmark 2020 t-shirt. And I'm picturing it right now. Okay, so me wearing this shirt, going to the post office with my packages in this bag. Just yes. And then the last item is safe to show with you guys because it's just too good to be true. I was just hoping, praying that they would include this, and it's an official Poshmark mug. I am such a big water and tea drinker, and I really want to start making more of these videos about poshing. And now I can feature this, and honestly, I'm literally going to go rinse it right now. I want to start using this today. It's just perfect. I love the colors that Poshmark went with for this package. And truly, just thank you so much, Poshmark. I love everything, just above and beyond my expectations. I honestly didn't know what to expect. I was just thinking oh, okay, we'll get a shirt, maybe some stickers. This was just above and beyond. And if you guys didn't know, I'm actually speaking at day 2 of the conference. My panel is called Creating a Brand That Stands Out. And I cannot wait to share all of my branding secrets and tips and tricks with you that help my closet at You Wish Bay shop on Poshmark succeed. And thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions.